What are you doing? You're backing it into the garage so you can get some hay?
Yeah.
What are you going to do with your hay then? Huh? You going to feed it to your heifers? Okay, you going to go feed heifers now?
Yes.
You pedal? Oh, don't go that way. You'll get stuck. Go around. There, go that way. Oh, gotta watch your corners.
What are those?
It's a little person. Okay, go.
That's you putting your mail on there.
Yeah.
Where does this go down to? Where does this go down to? Where does that go down to? See? 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 See?
See, there's
it
two
goes down
holes.
here.
Mm-hmm.
So I'm gonna get more hay.
Okay.
I'll get more hay. You bag me up here. So
Okay.
I don't want the person anymore.
Go forward a little bit.
You bag me up.
Okay, now back up. You're as tight as it goes. You gonna throw some hay in?
I'll get in the door. Come in.
Should I come in?
Yes. That There's fire.
Mm-hmm. Is it keeping you warm?
Yes. I need to live in this blue house.
Mm-hmm.
That's my blue house.
It's just your size, huh?
Where's the door?
What's right here? You can drive your tractor again?
You come in.
Okay.
You come in here. I'm standing by fire. You fit in here.
Ugh. Okay. Now what?